As part of your supply chain digitization strategy, it is essential to install a robust quality inspection and monitoring solution. Why? Because unnoticed production defects can rapidly accumulate to tremendous unwanted operational costs, as well as time in rework. Or even worse, shipping inferior quality products to your clients can damage your brand reputation in the long run and lead to loss of customer confidence, resulting in fewer orders. That is where we come in. LTquality is a part of our Team Connect manufacturing execution system designed to enable instant defect identification, reporting, and timely resolution to minimize losses. While manual defect recording during production is slow and delayed, LTquality allows users to report defects found at any point during production in real time with just a few taps. The KPI dashboards instantly organize and present this real-time defect information to your quality team, allowing immediate action that helps manage quality issues before they get out of hand and cause loss of time and capital. Ultimately, LTquality provides end-to-end transparency of quality, from raw material to production, thus enabling early detection and handling of quality issues anywhere in your factory, saving time and money while optimizing productivity and maximizing customer satisfaction. Get started on our website today to see how LTquality can help transform your business.